Ladies and gentlemen, hope you're ready for the next item in our agenda. What is NFT 2.0? MintDAO establishing a new standard in the crypto world. I saw that Krzysztof Kamiński is ready to step on the stage. Hello, Krzysztof.
Hello, thank you very much for introduction. Hello, everyone.
Enjoy.
Thank you very much for being here today with me. So if I could ask for a presentation, that would be great. Yep, I think you got it. What is NFT 2.0? I've seen that a lot of topics today was mentioning NFTs, and it's very important topic, especially in crypto world. But before I will go to the topic of our presentation, so before I will explain to you in simple words what these NFTs 2.0 are, let me introduce myself a little bit. I'm Chris, I'm CEO of MintDAO. I'm a blockchain full-stack developer. So if there are a lot of other developers here today, then, well, I'm a developer myself. I have a long experience in programming, especially in full-stack development from backend to frontend, and blockchain as well, which is passionate for me since five years. So this is a little bit about me, so you can know me better. We create MintDAO. I created MintDAO with my friend and my brother. We started this whole project, the project about creating NFTs. But for that, a little bit later. So what is NFT 2.0? Let's start with the question if there's anyone here recognizing this monkey. Oh, I see a lot of you. So for those of you who didn't recognize this is the Bored Ape from Bored Ape Yacht Club collection. The very famous NFT collection, 10,000 of these NFT profile picture images. Currently, the cheapest one is around $300,000. But let's go further. Is there anyone in the room recognizing this one? Or maybe this? So as you can see, there are a lot of different collections that also present monkeys, but they are not recognizable. They are not having value. So the question is, where is the value behind the NFT? Why is that Justin Bieber is holding his NFT along with other famous celebrities, and other NFTs also representing monkeys in their profile image are not? And we believe, as MintDAO, that the answer is behind utility. The Bored Ape Yacht Club collection is giving an extreme unique utility of being in famous, prestigious group of personalities. And by holding the NFT from that collection, you receive access to that group. You are in that famous group. And this is the utility behind that particular collection. And the other collections I presented earlier are not giving you that. So we believe that NFT, to have value, must give you utility. And this is the most important aspect of all NFTs. So before I answer the question, what is NFT 2.0? Because the answer is pretty simple, I would like to introduce to you a little bit more how we define problems on NFT market currently, how we see it, and show you that resolving these problems might help with giving actual value to NFTs, so users can see value behind them. So first of all, a lot of NFT collections could be done by experienced developers, but projects that might utilize NFTs are lacking resources or know-how, depending. Because projects that are creating, developing their roadmap, that are working on different blockchains, are usually focusing on what's the most important to the protocol they are developing. And NFTs is something that might be useful, might be the project might be willing to add on top of the project, but itself it needs resources, developer resources, working hours that users will need to put into that collection. Secondly, there is a huge problem with calculating what is the actual value of the NFT. Most of them are based on speculation, so you buy today, you believe that it might be worth more in the future. And it's extremely hard because the NFT's value will depend on the promised functionalities that might be in the future, that might depend on the community built behind the NFT collection. And thirdly, we believe that the lack of rewarding strategies, the rewarding systems, something that returns profit to the NFT holder is missing in this space. We believe that NFTs to work properly, to have value, to hold it in the long-term run, must reward NFT holders. So it will not be only bought for speculation to buy, flip, and sell. You need to reward users in long term, basically. So what is NFT 2.0? NFT 2.0 is simply an NFT that is holding a utility behind. It gives you functionality that you can use on some platform, into a project, that you can do something with that NFT. And I will give you a couple of examples from what we've done so far, what we plan to do, so it might be a little bit easier to understand. Here we have an NFT collection MintDAO chest that we've released 1 month ago, 7th of February. We've managed to sell 1,000 of them within 67 seconds. That was, well, a great time for the time of the market. And what is the utility behind it? One of the most important utilities is the yield farming feature. So we wanted to give to the holders the yield farming feature that returns them mint tokens without need for them to doing anything with the NFT. The holder simply keeps the NFT into their wallet and don't need to do anything with that token. The yield farming simply works on their wallet. Secondly, we have a RoboHero avatar collections that was recently on our launchpad as well. We've managed to sell 1,000 of them within 83 seconds. And one of their utilities, because not only one, but the utility that is proving the real value behind the NFT was the access to fair distribution offering system that, simply speaking, gave the advantage for NFT holders before TGE of the RoboHero. So users holding the NFT were able to participate in the TGE a little bit earlier, and it also managed to stop the bots from entering the market. Thirdly, we have a Space Cartel Amulet collection that will be in our launchpad on 17th of March. And the most important utility in this collection is the reward, the boost to reward in the in-game reward. So in Space Cartel is a game that will play to earn game that will give to the users rewards for executing tasks. And this, by holding this NFT, simply by holding this, don't need to do anything with the NFT, you will be rewarded, you will have a boost to the points, to the rewards from the game. So to sum up, NFTs 2.0 are still the same NFTs. It's the technology, the same technology, but focused on adding utility, adding the real value, so you can evaluate if the NFT is worth to you or it's not. If you are a user of the game, if you are a user of a launchpad that utilizes such an NFT, you might calculate how much is it worth to you, especially if it's depending on the percentage amount of some other tokens you have or actions you execute in the platform. So this saying, NFTs can still be the same NFTs, but if you add the utility to NFT, it might have a long-term value. It will be tradable for a longer time, because as long as there will be users of these NFTs, as long as there will be demand on the market, the NFT will hold its value. So to sum up, NFTs 2.0 are a little bit more than NFTs, still the same standards, still the same great technology that is behind NFTs that inspires me since, well, a couple of years now. But this time, not put into the profile picture NFTs where you build a community based on the images and you can set it as your profile picture. This time, we are speaking about giving an actual functionalities, actual utilities to NFT holders. And before I end, I have 2 surprises for you today. So for those who don't know, we are not we haven't released our token yet, so it will be in a moment. So I have a trailer for you presenting MintDAO that we are very proud of. And also, if you've managed to be at our stand earlier today, you might have collected a small coin with unique number. So we'll do a short giveaway. So let's hope the trailer would work properly.
Welcome to the MintDAO planet. A place which is almost entirely made of metal, robotic, and covered by innovative factories. Right now, robots are preparing mint tokens, which will give voting rights and daily rewards all community. Mint token holders will sit in the council and determine the fate of the factory. They will have real impact on DAO votes and reward benefits. The entire production line runs tirelessly at maximum speed. The number of factories and robots is rapidly expanding towards new ecosystems. One of the AI-based technologies lets the robots find space-time portals. Thanks to that, robots can travel via the entire planetary ecosystem to find the one who needs help of the MintDAO Robo Army. Soon, it will reach every corner of the galaxy and support those in need. Join the world of MintDAO.
Thank you very much. So we are very proud of the work from MintDAO Studios that created this trailer for us. And I really want to invite you to the TGE on 14th of March, so on Monday. What the whole subject is, so we are basically, MintDAO is a platform that creates that kind of NFTs for third-party projects. And this is the core of our business. So now, when you know what the NFTs 2.0 are, and you might see that the value in the NFTs can be created by giving the utilities, I wanted also to go further to the giveaway that some of you might have won by getting a coin from our stand. So if I could please to show the randomizer and press start, that would be great. So we will now randomly choose 10 numbers. If you have selected get a coin from our stand, it looks something like this. It has a number on its back, on the reverse. So if the number is one of these, then you are the lucky winners. I'm very proud that I can say that you have successfully won the contest. So please go to our stand after this presentation, and we can exchange the coin for the real reward. So, yep, that's all I got for you today. Thank you very much for being here and listening, and I hope you will have a great time. Bye-bye.